Okay, this is a trailer and I'm also using for my mill. Put the mill just slightly off center, leaves me room. This is a 12-foot log. Used come along to lift it slightly up to get it on the ramp so it doesn't drag on the ramp too hard. Once I get the top end to the top of the ramp, I hook the crank winch on and pull it up in. Once I get it up in, I'm going to roll it across the tracks to the other side and leave me room for 2 more. And if the weight doesn't exceed my capacity, I'm going to roll it over. I would otherwise use my dingo to load this on in a fraction of the time, but this morning was a little cold and it wouldn't start, so that's something I'll be looking into. So enjoy the show. This is a pitch pocket on a spruce. I think these are Norway spruce. You can see it just oozing right out of there. Sure, at one point the pitch was used for some purpose, may even be used for turpentine. Hope you're enjoying the show. Okay, this is about the largest my mill can take, 20 inches. Have it rigged to pull it up. I have this pulley here going over there to move it over and center it on the ramp, and then it comes up to here. One thing that had occurred during this is the nut that was on the back side of this came off. So something I need to attend to after this is through. Probably put some Loctite on it, maybe peen it over, but here we go. Start the pulling process. One of the challenges I have with this is the alignment on this winch. One thing that I have discovered is I can crank it to capacity, meaning as much pressure as I can put on the crank, hold it there, and then grab it in the middle of the line, pull it sideways and gain some slack that way. It's worked quite well. The other thing is the smaller the diameter on the winch reel, the more mechanical advantage I have. So sometimes I'll back it off so that I can reposition, and also as I said before, the alignment. The main part of the bed is at an angle like that, but to crank this, I have to keep this straight. I can put a pulley in to pull the line over so that it goes straight out of here and then off at an angle, but I haven't come to that point yet, and it's still in the debate phase as to whether it's worth it. But with that, it wants to put all of the line over here. Problem is if I put it over here, it wants to twist this sideways, which can and is an issue at times. But at this point, I can back it off, move it over, crank some. If I hit a particularly hard spot, move it over to this side so it doesn't twist it. Hope this has helped in being entertaining, but even as valuable for those of you that may not have equipment but are trying to do something with logs instead of cut them into smaller and smaller pieces. Like, subscribe, watch some of my other stuff, and please send me comments. They're appreciated, informative, and help us all to learn a little bit. Thank you much. Bye.